Hi everyone, I'm Susmita.
Hello, I am Mukesh.
Yeah, Chef Mukesh. Yes. So today we are going to show you how to make a burrito bowl. So the burrito bowl will have 5 layers. The first layer will be made of beans. So here we're choosing to use rajma. And then the second layer will be a herbed rice. The third one is a salad, a fresh salad. Fourth is a salsa. And finally a cashew cream, which replaces the sour cream. So this is going to be completely gluten free because we're not going to actually use a wrap to make the burrito. It'll be directly served in a bowl and then you can help yourselves. And of course, after we finish showing you everything, all of you get to taste whatever we made. Right. So the first one is the beans, the first layer. I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil in this. You can make this oil free also, but adding the oil does make it tasty, and this is the only ingredient with oil in it, only layer with oil in it. Okay. A little bit of vegetable oil. So first we're going to add a little bit of finely chopped garlic.
You already salted the rajma?
No, we're going to add salt to it. It's just pressure cooked.
Just boiled.
Boiled and pressure cooked actually. Once the garlic and onion have browned a little bit, we are going to add some chopped tomato. Saute that a little bit. Add a little bit of salt. And we have some red chili powder. Now finally we are going to add the cooked rajma to it. So that's it. It's really simple to make the base. If you like, while you're cooking this, you can mash the rajma. That's optional. In the bowl without mashing it, it's nice. But when you put it in the wrap, it holds together when you mash it. So you can partially mash it. So you can see this.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the first layer. We're going to add it to the bowl. So just spread this out evenly. Now we're going to do the herbed rice. You want healthier and depending on your taste, even a tastier option would be to use cooked millet instead of cooked rice. So that way you'd be using a local ingredient as well as something much more healthy. So this one you can make it oil free. You can just heat the rice. So just warming the rice a bit. Yeah. We have some mixed herbs, parsley, mint, basil, and a bit of coriander also. So your wish, you can put whatever herbs you want. Yeah. Switch off. So you just heat the rice a bit, add the herbs. Then be careful how much salt you add to this because a little bit and it will make it very salty because it's just plain, rice. So just a pinch of salt. Now optionally, if you want to make this a little more spicy, you can add pepper. Otherwise, we are going to have pepper in the salad anyway, so you could also switch. Black pepper, crushed black pepper. now we're gonna just put the rice along with the stuff. You can make this really rich with herbs. It tastes really good. So we go on to the next layer, which is a very simple fresh salad. So for the salad, you can choose whatever juicy vegetables that are there. Your crunchy, juicy vegetables. That's a good combination to put in here. Adds a really good texture to things. Some sliced bell peppers, 3 colored bell peppers. Yeah. Some lettuce. Some cucumber. Boiled sweet corn. So this gives a bit of sweetness and it makes it more tasty. To this, we're going to add a little bit of salt. Some pepper, black pepper again, crushed black pepper. Crushed pepper tastes better than powdered pepper, so see if you can crush it freshly yourself and then use it for this. And then we have some lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. And you just mix it well.
It's a nice quantity of lemon juice.
Yes, it has to give that nice tangy. Of course, it's up to you how much you like to add. If you like it to be less tangy, no problem. So here we go. So make a large quantity of salad. It tastes very nice. Compared to rice, the salad should be more. At least in volume when you look at it.
Yes, massive by 20.
But not by weight, not by weight. We are gonna do the salsa. Salsa is pretty simple. So it's again, see, the one beauty about Mexican food is the taste is, when it comes to more spices and everything, it's similar to what our Indian palate is used to. So that's how we enjoy it. So for this, we have some chopped onion. Some chopped tomato. And we have some chopped coriander. Then we have some finely chopped green chilies. A little bit of salt. And lemon juice, a dash. The oil and the lemon juice look the same. So bit of ketchup. Just a splash. It makes a difference. Just a splash. So this is it, this is your salsa. We're going to put some, so we're going to add it on top. So I believe traditionally salsa doesn't even have this is not exactly salsa. Traditionally it's pureed. And this is called pico de gallo. Yes, that's what it's called. But here you keep hearing salsa and then this is what is being served. And finally we'll do the vegan version of the sour cream. This thing, you can ferment it and it tastes even yummier. But on the fly, you don't need to ferment it. You add a lot of lemon juice and make it. But you let this sit. Whatever you've made, whatever we make now, if you let it sit, it ferments and it tastes amazing. So this is soaked. It's been soaked for a few hours minimum and then we make it. So put it in the blender.
So just cashew, right?
Yeah, just soaked broken cashews. That's it. I mean, you can use whole cashews also if you want. We just of lemon juice. A pinch of salt. And that's it. It's a 3-ingredient thing. And then just blend it well. The cashew comes out super creamy. So we just pour it over everything. Yeah, it's going down naturally. If you shake it, everything will get mixed. Now the beauty of this is having it in layers, you know. Yeah, wait. So here you go. Yeah. So who's ready to eat this now? Okay. Thank you. Please go ahead and help yourselves.
Yes, yes. They're very cute. Yes.
We often have recipe demos, workshops, and other events at Carrots Restaurant. Subscribe to our mailing list through our website or follow our Facebook page or Twitter account to get notified about all the interesting events and activities we keep having at our restaurant. Thank you for watching.